Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI predictions, exploring hypothetical scenarios that might just blow your mind. Let's see what AI has to say about some mind-bending what-if situations. Imagine a world where teleportation exists. What would that look like? Let's ask our AI to predict the possibilities. Teleportation. If humans could instantly transport, the implications would revolutionize travel, commerce, and daily life. However, it raises ethical and safety concerns. Instantaneous movement might disrupt economies and change societal structures. Fascinating. But what about encountering extraterrestrial life? Let's explore. AI, what would happen if we made contact with aliens? Contact with extraterrestrial beings would spark scientific advancements, cultural shifts, and potentially global unity. However, it could also lead to conflicts, ethical dilemmas, and redefine humanity's place in the universe. Incredible insights. Let's move on to another intriguing scenario. AI, how could we combat climate change more effectively? Implementing advanced technologies, global cooperation, and innovative policies could mitigate the effects of climate change. However, it requires a collective effort, significant investments, and changes in societal behaviors. Stimulating possibilities. But what about a hypothetical scenario involving time travel? AI, what if time travel were possible? Time travel presents paradoxes and potential disruptions to the timeline. It could alter history, leading to unpredictable consequences, impacting our present and future in ways we can't fully comprehend. Intriguing but complex. Now for the final scenario. Thank you for joining us on this mind-bending journey through hypothetical scenarios predicted by AI. These what-if situations are not only thought-provoking, but also illustrate the power of AI in envisioning potential futures. What hypothetical scenario would you like to explore next? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time.